Did you know that most successful tech leaders don't read books cover to cover? If you're like most developers transitioning to leadership roles, you probably have a growing list of must-read books about management, communication, and team building, but zero time to actually read them. Here's the reality. Traditional reading is broken for busy professionals. You don't need to spend 10 to 15 hours per book to extract its wisdom. Today, you'll discover the game-changing approach that lets you absorb leadership wisdom in just 2 to 3 hours per book instead of the usual marathon sessions. This isn't about shortcuts, it's about strategic learning. Think of this like debugging code. You don't read every single line when hunting for a bug. You start with the error message, then dive deeper into specific functions. Books work the same way. Here's the secret that busy tech leaders use. Step 1. Start with book summaries. Before touching the actual book, read 2 to 3 different summaries online. This is like reading the documentation before diving into the code base. Why this works? You instantly know if the book's core message applies to your current leadership challenges. Pro tip: use sites like Blinkist, Get Abstract, or even YouTube summary videos. Spend 15 to 20 minutes maximum on this step. Step 2. The relevance filter. Ask yourself, does this book solve a problem I'm facing right now? If yes, continue to step 3. If no, move it to your someday list. Step 3. Cherry-pick chapters. Instead of reading linearly, only read chapters that directly address your immediate needs. The chapter scanning technique. Read the chapter titles and subtitles. Identify 2 to 3 chapters that match your current challenges. Read only those chapters with full attention. Real example. If you're struggling with giving feedback to your team, jump straight to the feedback chapters in Radical Candor. Skip the company culture stuff for now. Step 4. The 80-20 rule in action. Here's where the magic happens. Book summaries give you 80% of the concepts, but the actual chapters provide the 20% of examples and real-world applications that make the difference. It's like understanding the theory of algorithms versus seeing them implemented in actual code. Both are necessary, but you need the right balance. Reading without action is just intellectual entertainment. Here's how to make it stick. After reading each chapter, write 3 key insights you discovered. Define 2 specific actions you'll implement this week. Find 1 person you'll share this knowledge with. Don't keep insights to yourself. Leadership is a team sport. In your next team meeting, share 1 concept you learned and ask, how could we implement this in our workflow? This does 2 things. Reinforces your learning through teaching, builds team buy-in for new leadership approaches. Remember, you don't need to read everything to lead everything. Work smarter, not harder. Leadership books are tools, not entertainment. Use them to solve specific problems, not to collect knowledge for its own sake. Learn how to turn book insights into actionable team processes that actually stick. Ready to level up your leadership game?